Hello friends, Tony here, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to work with image uploads on Laravel. I'm going to modify the posts and I'm going to add a new column there to upload the image. So let's start. Let's open the posts migration, and here I'm going to add a new $sign table string for I'm going to name it thumbnail, but you can name it what you like. Okay, let's save, and now because we make a change on the migration, let's run the PHP artisan migrate fresh. Okay, here we are. I'm going to log in with the admin user. Good. Now when we create, we have this title and content. We need to add also the input for the image. And for that, I'm going to open the Flowbyte. Let's get started, and we have forms somewhere here, components. Yeah, we have forms, so we have this file input, and I'm going to copy the first one. And we need to open now the create page inside the views posts. And after the content, I'm going to add new div with class margin bottom 6. And here I'm going to paste that in. So let's change this file upload to be thumbnail. In my case, the input ID is going to be thumbnail, and also I want to add a name here, thumbnail. Then I'm going to copy also the error to display the error if we have any for the thumbnail. And when we work with the image upload on the HTML, we need to add on form the type multi-part form data. Let's save and let's close this one. If I open now the form, we have this thumbnail here. Good. Let's open now the controller, the post controller, also the post model. We need to add here the thumbnail and then the post controller. When we store, we have the request validate title and the content. Also, let's add a thumbnail, which is going to be required and is going to be image. Okay, then we use this auth user post relation and passing the create, passing the validated data. But on the thumbnail, we need to add the path of the image which is going to be uploaded. So for that, we're going to say $sign validated thumbnail to be equal with request file thumbnail. Okay, so the name we added, and we use this store method, which is going to store the image inside this directory thumbnails. Now by default, if I open the file systems config file, by default here we have the disk is set to local, and the local is in the storage path app. So if I open here storage app, here is going to be uploaded by default, but I want to be uploaded in the public, and here we have the public directory, which is storage path public. We can set here default to be public, or we can add this file system disk in the .env file. So let's do that. Let's open the .env file and say file system disk to public, and we are okay. So this is going to store, this store method is going to store the image in this directory, and then it's going to return the path into this validated thumbnail. Okay, let's save and let's try. Let's come here, let's add some gibberish, let's choose the image, open, store, we redirected back. Okay, no errors. If I open the table plus, we have the title, content, and here we have the thumbnail path, which is inside the thumbnails slash and the name of the image, which is auto-generated by Laravel. And also if I come here and open the storage app public, Now we have this thumbnail directory, and here is the image. Okay. This is how we can store images. Now you can read more on the Laravel about validation and also changing the directories. But right now we are okay. We uploaded the image. Next, let's work with edit. So I'm going to open again with the create and just copy this div here. And now open the edit page inside the views pose. And I'm going to paste it after the content. I'm going to paste the thumbnail again here. Also, we need to add on form the enc type to be multi-part form data. Save and close. Then on the update method on the controller, now when we update the post, we don't want always to change the thumbnail. So for that, the thumbnail is going to be sometimes, and here we specify the image, and then I'm going to check if the request has filed thumbnail, is going to return true. If that is okay, then I'm going to say this, the validated thumbnail to be request file thumbnail, store the thumbnails, the same thing we have here. But the thing is, if we want to update the image, first we need to delete that image we have in here. Okay, we have one image for this post. So first we need to delete that and then upload a new one. And to delete, I'm going to use, let's use the file facade and say delete. And I'm going to use the storage path app thumbnail, storage path app public / post thumbnail. Now let's save and let's see. If I come here and refresh, if I say just updated, update, yeah, updated. Let's see if updated with image, I'm going to say, and also I'm going to upload a new image. Update, yeah, updated with the image, and now on the thumbnails we have only one because first we deleted the first and now we have this one. Okay. Also on the destroy, I'm going to copy this. So when we delete the post, we need to delete the image first, then delete the post. Okay, so now if I say refresh and if I say delete this, the post is deleted and also the image is deleted. Okay, let's create a new one. Something here, something, store. If I say a new one without the image, if I say store, now we have the thumbnail field is required. And as you can see, we lost the title and the content because we need to, so let's open the create. And on the input, we need to add also the value, which is going to be old title, and the same thing on the text area, we need to add old content. So refresh, type something, store. Yeah, we have the thumbnail field is required, but the title and the content is okay. Now let's choose the image, this one, store, and now it's stored. And if I open here, thumbnails, we have 2 images for 2 files, for 2 posts. Okay. And of course, if I say updated again, just one more time, without the image, this is updated. And if I say updated with image, choose the image, updated with image, and also again we have just 2 images. Okay friends, that's it, how we can work with file uploads on Laravel. Now if you like such a videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share with your friends, and see you in the next one. All the best, thank you very much.